Tonight, ipapakilala ko sa inyo lahat ng member ng Gentry Timepieces. Sabi ko pa naman, nakapandiinan ako ngayon. Mahihiya na yung si Sir na tumanggi sa akin.
Okay, so we are having up one Rolex worth 300,000 pesos. Rolex worth 300,000 goes to...
What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Andito tayo ngayon. Siyempre guys, nakapandiinan tayo kasi nga year-end party ngayon ng Gentry together with other companies. Kaya pupunta tayo sa Okada tayo mamaya guys. Pero bago yan, siyempre, meron pa rin tayong meet up. Magbibenta pa tayo ng relo. Nakaganto ako, mahiya na lang dibilin yun. Pag ano, di ba? Ganda, di ba? Si ano nga pala? Si Sophie, ayan. Veronica.mnl. Siya ang designer namin lahat ng mga suits namin. Siya nagpahinit to lahat, bong. Tignan mo naman, oh. Pandiinan, pare. Ah? So siya, maraming salamat, Ma'am Sophie. Classmate ko siya dati since high school, tapos naging fashion designer siya, tapos naging stylist na rin. So guys, magbebenta tayo. Si client kasi sa Okada, he reserved one root beer, tapos gusto raw niya makakita pa ng isang Starbucks, tsaka isang Sprite na GMT. So may dala rin tayo, just in case he needs one. Check daw niya, check niya kung nagustuhan niya. If nagustuhan niya, bibili siya. If not, okay lang, uwi tayo. May pera pa rin kasi nakabenta pa rin tayo ng root beer. Yan, ganda naman ng couplings.
Wait lang nga.
Ah, sorry.
Ito mo na gumalaw.
So yun guys, tara na, punta na tayo ng Okada. Everything is checked out, everything is ready na. Tapos meron pa akong pa-surprise sa inyo later on kasi tonight ipapakilala ko sa inyo lahat ng member ng Gentry Timepieces, okay? Lahat yan, from the editors, yung mga sales natin, lahat papakilala ko sa inyo, yung mga paring at kamaring natin. Yung mananalong best dressed male at saka female dito sa Gentry Timepieces, yung mga 30 ata kami, bibigyan ko ng 10K each. Best male tsaka best female dressed. Baka nyo si paring G. Game. Tara. Let's go! Okay, ready for the party ba? Oy, meron din pala kayong party. Hello!
I wanna make sure that I make the right decision on this
Root beer?
root beer.
This is the 2024. The one you reserved and ordered. You can still kasi tinanggal ko pa yung half link. So pag binalik mo yun, I think that would fit you a lot better. And it has still wrap, so that wrap sticks on your skin pa, so I can remove that if you want.
So this one does not have the PPF.
Not yet, but if you insist on putting a PPF, we can also do that. Para mas makita mo. Hello! Hi, ma'am!
It's my wife. This is
Hi, ma'am. Pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much.
so 1.2, right?
1,250, come on!
1.2.
Nag-down ka na eh.
Yeah, nag-down na nga ako.
Ah, yes, nag-down ka ng... So,
Of this-
nag-down siya
of
ng
this
100. So, 1,150 na lang.
Ha?
1,150.
150.
Yeah, root beer two-tone reference 126711 CHNR. Brand new, unworn.
For sure.
Yes. I wouldn't say brand new actually. It's unworn. But it's not brand new kasi may nakabili na from the AD.
Yes.
But unworn.
Okay.
1,250.
I don't wanna,
100,000.
na natin pahabain.
1,150.
I'll get it for 1,250, but do the PPF. I'll go to your store.
Come on.
Please.
Kala ko nagpa-reserve na wala nang negotiation. We're not even getting 8% margin for this one. Not even 8. Our
Yung
target is always 10.
PPF mo,
10,000 na yun. Are you getting anything else?
It's up to her. Kasi,
Sige. Let's kasi dun ko na lang kukunin yun eh.
1,250, 1,250 PPF.
Wala nang natira. Tulungan niyo ako. Sabi ko pa naman, nakapandiinan ako ngayon. Mahihiya na yun si Sir na tumanggi sa akin. Medyo napasama pa.
No, you look good though.
Sige, si ma'am, if you want
Can you
anything.
check for me? Because I'm not really into watches.
You're not into watches?
No.
You're about to be.
It's expensive eh.
How many 7 carats ba yan?
Which one?
Yung diamond mo?
But this is a 2022
Yes.
used.
Like new.
Oh, like-
Honestly, sinabi sa akin nung like parang ginamit daw nung...
May scratches na.
Yeah. But that's unpolished.
You have your own polish
Team? Yes.
Yeah, polish team. Okay.
We
So
do.
you can take this out.
Yeah.
The scratches.
Yes. But use it for one day at come back. Ganun lang naman siya.
Okay. Do you want that? Talk about the price.
Yeah.
May
We can talk about the price. We can shake
Green
hands on
Hills,
it
di ba?
para pick upin nyo na lang.
I don't know how to bargain.
So, this is 820. What's your generous price on this?
I'd give it to you for 800.
Can you do 775?
Come on, you're just guessing numbers. With me.
Paano mo nalaman? Kasi expert ka eh.
A little 795?
Okay. I don't wanna ruin the...
Done. Thank you so much. Man, thank you so much. Done deal. So she got something like this, the 126231 Diamond 6 and 9 for 795. Thundust yung dial niya, rose gold, two-tone, 2022.
Right?
Done deal. Done deal.
You okay?
Thank you so much. Yeah.
You feel good?
Okay mo, boom. Ito mo yun, pare ginawa ko. Alright, sige. Okay na yan. Bagong-bago pa oh.
Speak Ilocano?
Oo.
Sample.
Ay na, tatikong ko na akong kot. Ilocano kayo? Kaya may English ka English pa yun. Parat ngatal talaga Ilocano.
Thank you again.
Thank you brother. Nice meeting you. Ma'am, nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Have fun with your party. We'll have fun on our own then. Pupunta na tayo syempre sa end year party natin. Nakabenta tayo. Mas masarap tumipar ngayon pare.
Please not on the stage, bahay. Di ba gusto ng roll? So just imagine, like last year, it was crazy said hey guys, and yet now I'm here on stage talking as parang ganun. Who would have thought? Kaya on the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for everyone who believed in us. Maraming salamat guys. Enjoy the night. Thank you so much. Okay, so we are wrapping up one Rolex worth 300,000 pesos. Rolex worth 300,000 goes to Victorino Ludiano.
Game, next!
What's up guys?
Either gumanon kayo bigla.
Alright. Daddy, Tito, say. Stop. Yeah. Cool. As the loud trolley goes, oh wait.
Sinong nanalo? Wait lang. Oh, may nanalo. Paring G kasi yung mamimili. Ako lang yung mag-a-announce. Sino tingin nyo? Napili niyo? Sa mail. Sa mail. Ang nanalo daw sa mail ay si Marlo. Sa ladies, sino? Ang nanalo daw sa ladies ay si Mira. Kita nyo na, Team Gentry 2025, see you there. Bye.